You would be laughing your head off if you went past a banana truck and your heart would be beating really fast. Something sharp in space could cut your heart and that would be a disaster. This is a banana truck and my auntie wouldn't be able to drive it in space. You wouldn't walk past a giraffe or zebra in space because that would be ridiculous. You might walk past a zebra calf.
You cannot have a party in space because, when if you had a horse in space, your horse would die because there's no oxygen or what we breathe in space. In space you can't have a horse because it would come last because if you had a horse in space, your horse would come last because your horse can't go very fast. You couldn't look after a giraffe in space because it would die because they
in space in your dreams.
You cannot
because when you set it up,
it's hard to walk in space. There are large nets. It would. If you had a tractor in space, it wouldn't
fly.
Why? Because it's not like a spaceship like flying wings. Tractors aren't spaceships. Tractors don't belong at a farm. Tractors belong at a farm because some tractors live at a house, some tractors
live at a farm, not at space.
Because if they were in space, they would only have space suits.
You would be laughing your head off if you went past a in space in your dreams. You would be laughing your head off if you went past a
You cannot
because when
in March people go out in space, but how are they going to get out of space? When they jump in the rocket, the plane, they are really calm. And the reason why you can't have any tomatoes in space because there are no tomatoes
go in space.
When they jump in the rocket, it is really dark. When they get out of the rocket, right, because there's stars in there.
It's smart to have a ballerina in space because
in March, people go out in space.